Hi, Pruti. Thanks so much for your question. Now, let's look at exactly what it is you've actually written and how it actually gets us to the number 1. Okay, so when they say they want the fourth term in the sequence, what we're going to do in this case is we're going to replace n by the fourth term. But in order to do the way you did it, what you did was you replaced n with 1. So that's where we're going to start before we answer the actual question. So what we're actually looking for is the first term. So what happens when n is equal to 1? Let's see. 1 multiplied by negative 2 to the power, and then n again. So we're going to replace n with 1. We're going to get 1 minus 1. That is equal to 1 multiplied by negative 2 to the power 0. And now there's an exponential law that says that any number x, this can be 6,500,000, it doesn't matter what it is, if it's to the power 0, it's equal to 1, which is why this part over here is then equal to 1. So what we're going to get here is that 1 over here is going to be multiplied by the 1 that we're going to get in this bracket over here. 1 multiplied by 1, that's just going to give us 1. And that's what we're going to get. But in this particular question, they're looking for the fourth term. So what we're going to do is we're going to write in n as equal to 4. Now, what I want you to do for me is just pause your video and see if you can figure out what the fourth term. So if we replace n with 4, what are we going to get? Okay, let's see what we're going to get. We're going to get 1 multiplied by negative 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. And this is going to equal to 1 multiplied by negative 2 to the power 4 minus 1. That's going to give us 3. And this is going to be equal to 1 multiplied by negative 2 cubed. That's negative 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. That's going to give us negative 8. And negative 8 multiplied by 1, that's going to give us negative 8. And that's how we solve these questions, okay? I hope this was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to message us and we'll be here to help you. Try a couple more of them on the app. They get easier the more you do them, all right? All the best.